Okay, New York session live. Took two trades, one on NZDUSD and one on EURUSD. NZDUSD, I actually took one in Asia session, breakout of previous day low down to the previous week low. Didn't catch this move in London and waited for the pullback in New York and got a trend reversal entry just as it reversed. Also took one on EURUSD. I was waiting for this in London as well, but broke out before London Open. Didn't give me any opportunities to jump in. And again, I just waited for the pullback to take the trend reversal entry back down. Was looking at GBP USD today as well, but it broke out too far during London Open. Again, didn't give me any opportunities, and then it faked out previous week low. So wasn't interested to trade back down into it in New York session. So I did not take this one, but it did give a nice entry here. There's an inside bar that creates a range, and it did fake out one side of the range, so I can understand taking this trade. But usually, I would prefer to see a momentum time frame fake out. When we fake out a large time frame, the weekly here, I usually want to see a fake out of the previous day high before reversing that move. So did not take this one, but it did give a nice entry. USD Swiss also has trend momentum just now. Session's done already for me. I'm not trading anymore. So not looking at this, but didn't set up, do anything for me during the session. USD CAD was the other one I was looking at, but I thought the structure was better on NZDUSD and EURUSD, especially if you look to the left here. Lots of ugliness here, so I'd prefer to trade these other ones instead. But this one also gave a nice move. All right, so the trade that I took, I'm letting the indicator handle this, the new one that I'm developing that's going to be in the subscription as soon as it's done. The momentum theory system is taking all my trades mechanically. It's not hooked up to MetaTrader just yet, but it is taking all my trades mechanically, and I just take whatever trade that it tells me. So this one is a trend reversal setup. We have a bullish breakout followed by a bearish fake out. We're above breakout levels. Faked out the high, got below the breakout level. That's the entry. This is a trend reversal setup. Bullish breakout followed by a bearish fake out. Price came up, faked out the high, and then below the breakout level, this is the one that I took, the breakout below that breakout level. And one of the reasons why I'm developing this indicator is that I want the indicator to manage the trade for me. It's taking all the trades that I would take, but it's managing the trade a lot better than the way that I would manage it. So in the case of NZDUSD, it took a nice breakout trade over here in Asia session. I did not take this one at this time. I'm usually having my coffee, so did not take this, but this is a breakout of a range. So this is a valid one to take. And this one, it just spots when momentum is shifting and then exits. So that's what's really good about this. It's no discretion to it at all. I don't feel anxious or anything. I just let it handle the trade. And so this is the one that the exit for the Asia session trade. And then this is the one that I took. So the way that I took this one was a breakout of the previous day low, and I took it down to the previous week low. So I just took this little bit, and the indicator took the exact entry as well, exact stop loss placement, but it managed it a lot better than me. So I ended it here at the previous week low, but momentum was still bearish. And then once momentum shifted, it ended up taking 5.5R out of a possible 7R. So really nice move that the indicator took. And then this is the drop in London that I did not catch. This one I was out at the gym. So didn't catch this one, but again, nice breakout trade, a breakout two trade, which fakes out the high before breaking out. That's the second setup for the breakout. This second one right here. So all my setups are completely in the indicators, taking them perfectly and managing them a lot better than I would. So this one took 5.7 out of a possible 7R. So this doesn't account for spread. So the numbers will be lower than this, but still better than what I would do. And this is a pullback in New York session, and then got in on that reversal, and still holding it. So let's see what it does here. So all the setups, let's see the metrics, how it's performing. And I can just go through each one of them and just see how each setup is performing. and how it performs inside ranges and everything. It's just been really good for me to understand my trades. So still need to handle, tweak some coding and things like this. I wouldn't be trading so often inside ranges. So these are things that I'm still tweaking. It's going to take me a bit of time, but I do understand all the trades. I wouldn't be trailing. I would definitely be targeting actual levels. This one I wouldn't have taken, didn't fake out the high. All right. So, anyways, there's still plenty of things I need to fix with this, but it's looking really good, very promising. And let's see what this does. All right. So this was a trade that I took on NZDUSD trend reversal, and I also took one on EURUSD. And so again, all these uh, boxes are all drawn by the indicator, and it's managing the trade. It took a continuation trade here. Breakout followed by an inside. We're below breakout levels. Price pulled back, faked out the previous H4 high, and then took the counter trend breakout entry. And so this is a picture perfect trend continuation setup. Breakout, bearish breakout followed by an inside bar. Price pulled back, faked out the setup time frame and momentum time frame, and then I want to take the trade back down to the fake out level, or in this case, the inside bar level, which is the H4 low. So it has drawn the perfect stop loss and the target, exactly how I would trade it. And let's see what this does. Not sure I would be taking this counter trend breakout entry. Usually I'd wait, since it's so close to the breakout level, I'd probably wait for price to get past this one. Maybe on this candle instead. Let's see, 3 months low is right there. So maybe this one would probably be the better one. But I wouldn't mind this one for an aggressive entry. All right, so it's handling that one really well. And that's it. So those are the two trades that I took. And let's see what it did with USD CAD. So it looks like it took a trade on Nikkei inside ranges. Again, I need to figure out how my setups are working inside of these ranges. Breakout trade. I don't think I'd be in this one. Yeah, a little bit tricky for this one. But again, I'm still tweaking these. So especially the ones inside ranges. Okay, so let's see. USD CAD. Took a few trades on USD CAD. Breakout trade, held it up. 3.5R out of a possible 6R. Another breakout trade, exited at break even. Here's that move in New York session. Price pulled back and I got in here. I didn't take this one, but looks like it took a breakout trade. I think the stop loss would be too high for me, too low for me, I mean. At least over here. All right, well, anyways, it's in this one as well, up to the week range high. But again, this is managing itself. At some point, I'd like to hook this up into MetaTrader and trade a demo account. But for now, I'm happy just taking these. All right, so looking good so far. Yeah, so 100% I would have been out already on this one. I would have seen these sort of, actually, no, I think I'd still be in this one. Okay, well, anyways, what's good is that I don't have to watch them anymore. And hopefully I can get this done and get it in the subscription as soon as I can. All right, so just letting this go. Let's see what it does. All right, so EURUSD 1.7R, nice move here. So done with this trade, and let's see what NZDUSD does. USD CAD still moving. It didn't take that one, and this is what USD Swiss did. So it looks like it took a breakout, a trend reversal up here, flipping breakout levels, false breakout move. slightly early. Actually, no, above previous week high. So this would be all right. This is not something that I could take unless I'm sitting here watching this one. So I don't usually trade like this anymore. Usually I'm waiting for the bars to close, and then I'm looking for the next move. But I used to trade like this, just sitting and watching. And so this would be the entry for me if I were still scalping the way that I used to. And it looks like it took a trend breakout above here as well. So I'm still tweaking the breakout setups. Not performing as actually it's all right. So I need to double check. Okay, so this one did fake out the low. That's what we're breaking. All right, so that's fine. Yeah. Anyways, I'll sort all this stuff out. But I just took those two, EURUSD and NZDUSD. Right. Okay, so done with the trade here. Price came all the way down. I would have ended it right here anyways. Closed 2.85R. And that's it. Done with the trading day.